like where I'm at.
Okay, I'm joining now. I'm joining now.
You're not.
I'm on top of it. What do you mean?
I'm on top of it.
What?
You're not in my server.
You're not in my server. I joined first.
I'm in Reagan's server.
It doesn't say you're on.
What do you mean? Are you acoustic? I'm literally on.
Okay, never mind. I reset it.
Are you acoustic?
Shut up.
Guys, if I murder all these people, it could really help. So if you guys could like help me win every single murder round,
Are you saying we team?
that would be much appreciated.
Okay.
Oh, what are we trying to do again? I'm kind of confused about what's even going on. What are we doing?
So there's a GC item I really want in this event, and there's only like 1,500 left. And
okay. Reagan.
What?
Does it? Okay. So when I take this off, does my headless head? When I take this off, does my headless head like on my actual avatar stay?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Because after every round, I have to like redo that because otherwise it has like the default head.
Oh.
I don't know what's going on in the chat, but it's interesting.
Okay. By the way, Sean wants to call in a few minutes. Not Sean.
I'm so confused. What do you mean? I'm right here. What?
I just heard him talk, so I just thought of his name. I meant to say Ty. I'm special. Sorry, guys. I was thinking of Sean and Ty at the same time because Sean had just spoken, but like, and I was trying to figure out what he just said. I still don't know what he said. But like, I'll stay on the game.
Huh?
Huh?
I have a feeling you're being followed.
I hope you just
stay on the game. And, like, I'm gonna.
I survived. I am a genius.
Why can't I see that person? And because I saw them on night vision, like their body was clear, and I was like, it's not a good sign. And I saw you following, and I was like, hey, Sean. And then I was like, oh wait, Sean, you're in danger.
Well, now I can't put on the outfit. Huh?
I am the danger. The Alpha Sigma male.
Why are you bacon? Oh.
Bacon?
I have to change into a different outfit so I can get my headless back.
No.
Do you have headless because you get headless?
What?
Do you have headless because you get no head?
Okay. You get no head. The only head you get is from yourself.
Oh.
Listen here, Buster.
I'm sensing a little bit of tension.
I am going to stick something inside of you, and it's going to be a knife.
Oh, I'm going to knife, not your dick.
Oh.
I'll take the knife over that.
Oh.
By far.
Oh.
I'm calling the FBI.
Oh.
On Briley.
Oh.
She's getting she's going to get jumped.
Oh.
By giant black men.
Oh.
What?
We're oiled up too.
Huh?
Oiled up too.
I don't want to live your fantasy, Sean.
What?
Really, I'd rather not.
Who's shanking people?
Fantasy.
What about Tennessee?
Because that's the only person who
has Mother Flicker.
Mother Flicker.
What? It said this Mother Flicker. Look at that.
Mother Flicker, bro.
What the heck? Excuse me. Ew. I hate the server.
I love this server. It has so many people though. So we're staying because I need to murder every single one of them.
Oh, okay. Are you murderer?
No.
Oh. Why not?
Sadly. What?
Oh. Heather.
Who just got stabbed?
Oh.
Who's shanked? Who?
Oh.
I'm so confused. I don't know who got shanked or who shanked who.
Hey Google, turn off the light.
No!
Hey Google, shoot some buildings.
Bitch. Wait, is it the butterfly girl?
I have no idea. I'm trying to figure out who's even shanking people.
It's the Brianna. She's in a red dress.
Oh, okay.
You have
Oh,
to
she's
date
right there. Hi there.
Why is she so slow?
Hi there.
What's he? Uh-oh.
Why is she so slow though?
I don't know.
She has
Why is she
foodborne
walking
illness. Whoa, holy whack on their clerics. She's coming for me.
Why does she walk so slow? It makes me angry.
Just tap it. Why does she?
So where's the gun?
It's an emo guy.
This
Okay, there we go. Now
emo
we can
Dark
walk
Souls god.
Oh.
Bro, where did she even go? Is she in the walls?
Definitely not.
She was walking so slow, she freaking no-flipped it to the back rooms.
I have to redo my avatar again, guys.
Again.
I want you.
Oh,
I had to put on the avatars you can buy so that I could get my headless steak back because it didn't like to work.
Increase your murder chance. Oh wait, increase your murder chances. But I don't know. It's only 15 Robux. But I don't know if it's just for one round or it's like indefinitely.
I don't know.
And I can't.
Me too.
I want to be murdered. I wish the murderers died. They dropped the knife.
Huh?
So I wish when murderers died, they dropped the knife. Like I want to play between murders and like kind of like murder party. They drop the knife. I wish that happened. Emergency. Because that would make my life so much easier.
Uh-huh.
Someone has been murdered. I'm just collecting coins. I have no reason to live.
Okay. I'm just hiding. I don't really have anything else to do.
Someone said in the chat. It said Brookhaven. Someone just said Brookhaven in chat. Like, nothing else, just Brookhaven.
Because somebody asked what else they wanted to play.
Oh.
seriously?
What?
Oh. What?
You, yourself, and I? Wait, no.
What?
Huh?
Him, himself, and you.
Oh.
You know, like the you, yourself, and I?
Well,
Me, myself, and I, whatever. You know that? Myself, and I, you know?
That would be... So it would be you, yourself, and you. You're yourself, and you. You're yourself, and you. I'm struggling.
No, him, himself, and
Special Sean?
he, himself, and he. Him.
Yes.
He, himself, and him.
Oh.
Smell my
It's the best way
stomach.
to describe it.
You want to smell my stomach?
What? No. I'm good.
Briley, come here.
No, Sean, leave me alone.
Come here.
Reagan, help.
Just let me rub it. Just let me rub it on you.
Reagan!
Let me rub it on you.
Sean, Briley's not even at her grandma's. Her mom took her home today.
She did?
Yes.
Are
Hey
you?
guys, I'm murderer. Let me win or I'll kill you.
Oh, okay.
In
In real life.
Hold on. What's going on?
Reagan, I'm in the little cabinet thing. If you spare me, I won't